Hey guys, we're back to show you our polish. If you've already gotten yours, say something right here in this comments below and let us know what you thought about it. This is a product that we have produced to actually keep your painted surfaces looking wonderful. Also, don't forget about your leather and vinyl and making them look like brand new. I'm going to show you a demo on both wood painted and also on this chair. I'll use the true applicator and put it on. Just going to put out some here on my little sponge so you can see how much I'm using. Going right over to my piece and this chair. I just want to show you how quick it dries and also that it doesn't leave fingerprints, and just show you the before and the after, the difference in what it's going to do to the sheen and how pretty it's going to make this chair look. This chair has been painted probably 3-4 years ago. Get out one of your true applicators. If you get 2 in a pack, as you know already, and they're great for painting, base coating, and putting on your first old ugly coat and kind of getting that done. Also great for applying this polish, and I think you can see what it's going to look like. I'm going to try to do a side-by-side, a little swipe here, and this was painted yesterday just so you can kind of see in the daylight. Just going to put on a little, so if you've got this in your kitchen and your bathroom where people are using it and you've got children that may be dripping a little bit of dripping their little toothpaste down the door, I'm just going to show you what a quick wipe down of this is like. Now it's going to dry instantaneous, pretty much dry super fast, and I'm going to show you that too, so you're going to be able to wipe it down, keep it looking great.
Furniture that's not been painted,
it can, and it looks fabulous. It looks so good just on wood. I wipe down the island in here in our kitchen. It takes a lot of abuse. It's where our employees eat lunch, and it's an island that I painted the bottom, of all things cathedral, and I did have some other colors, but that was evidently the one I really liked the most. But this floor has a lot of cathedral in it. But you can see this side by side. My hand's wet. Let me see. I want to show you the tracking, meaning fingerprints off. Well, this here, look at this. See, no fingerprints. That's paint. That's what I kind of want to show you there. It doesn't print. So that shine is there. So that's going to help you restore that finish and make it look beautiful and amp up the sheen if you want to do that too. And you can just keep your pieces looking like brand new. Just gives it a beautiful glow. What do you think? You like the looks of the sheen? It just really made it look gorgeous.
It looks great.
Makes it just really slick feeling. And again, no fingerprints. That's the thing. Really quickly, no fingerprints, no handprints. Can you see my handprint?
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
So Michelle's asking, how often should we be using the polish?
Just as often as you feel like you need it. It's not any need-based thing.
How often is your house getting dusty?
How often do you get it? You go in there and dust it. You just use it however you feel the need.
At my house, that bottle's gonna last me a long time.
Don't you tell me how often I have to use it, because that might be a problem. But you use it as much as you need it. Like if you've got little ones running around and they're just touching and handling everything and all that, sure, you need to wipe them down occasionally. If you get dust on your black table that you've painted, or whatever it may be, even white, whatever it is going to show. Eventually, over time, you're going to need to do something to make it look clean and bright and bring back that beautiful glow it has. This polish does that so quickly for you and makes it look like brand new. And I think you will love it when you get it. Just takes a little bit, goes a long way, and it gives you a great looking coating for leathers, vinyls, and painted surfaces.